Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use VLOOKUP function in Excel. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open the Excel, and this is the table. So I want to apply VLOOKUP on that table. First step you need to enter the is equal to and VLOOKUP. So this is the VLOOKUP formula. Then you need to click on the tab and enter the lookup value. So the value to search for the first column of the table. So I'm going to search for 3465, that is the sandwich value. Okay, click on comma, and then you need to two or more columns of data that is sorted in ascending order. So I'm going to select these tables. Okay, then enter comma again, and after that you need to enter the index number or from where you want a value. So I'm want in the column 2, so I'm going to enter 2, and for the range you need to select approximate, exact match. So I'm going to enter exact match. Okay, so you can see that the formula is applied, and you can see. So let me show you again. VLOOKUP, then enter the value, that is 3465 comma, and select the both tables, and then you need to enter comma 2, and here you can add false by typing also, and close the, and after that you simply need to click on enter. So you can see that sandwich. So this is the process by which you can use VLOOKUP function in Excel. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.